Hello students, welcome to our mathematics class. Today we are going to start a new lesson, circle. In this video we recall our previous knowledge about the circle. Watch the video carefully and up to end. Let's recall. I draw point, I draw segment. This point I taken as a center of the circle and this is radius. Now draw the circle. I draw another circle. Now I move this circle over the first. What happens? What is the conclusion? Right. These two circles are congruent to each other. Radii are the same for a congruent circles. I draw point. This point I taken as a center with different radii. I draw different circles but center is same. Then these three circles are called concentric circles. I draw circle. This is the center of the circle. I draw another point and taken as the center of the circle and draw circle. These two circles intersect each other in two distinct points. Therefore, these two circles are called intersecting circles. In standard 9, we have studied properties of chord. Let's recall all these properties. Here I draw point. I draw circle. This point is taken as a center. I draw a chord. Using the set square, I draw perpendicular to the chord. Now name, this is perpendicular. Now name the center as well as chord. O is the center, AB is the chord and M is OM. Segment OM is perpendicular to chord AB. I draw segment AM. Highlight. So watch carefully. Now I move the segment AM and place on segment BM. From this, we conclude that AM and BM are congruent to each other or of equal measures. So, write down the property. The perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to the chord bisects the chord. Second property. Watch the figure carefully. I draw a center of the circle. This is this point taken as the center of the circle. I draw a circle. I draw chord. I take a point, midpoint of this chord and draw a segment. Now name O is the center, AB is the chord and M is midpoint of chord AB. हा M midpoint आहे का नाही ते बघूया. AM काढलाय मी, परत एक सेगमेंट काढलाय बघा, हायलाइट केलाय. तो सेगमेंट मी मूव्ह केला AM, तो BM वर बरोबर बसलेला आहे. म्हणजे AM आणि BM कसे इक्वल. आता आपण हा अँगल OMB मोजून बघू. Using set square, this is perpendicular. These two angles are in linear pair. One is 90 degree, so remaining is also 90 degree. From this, we conclude that segment OM is perpendicular to AB. So write down the property. The segment joining the center of the circle and the midpoint of its chord is perpendicular to chord. Now watch the video carefully. I draw point. This point I taken as a center of the circle. I draw circle. Here I draw two segments. These two segments are of equal length. Now I shift these two segments in the circle. They become a chord. But these two chords are congruent chords. Now I draw a perpendicular from the center of the circle to the chord using set square. I draw perpendicular from the center of the circle to the another chord, this chord. These two chords are congruent. Now this distance from the center of the circle to the chord. What is the relation between these two segments? Observe carefully. I remove these two segments. What happens? These two are also of equal length. From this, we conclude the property congruent chords of a circle are equidistant from the center of the circle. Students, write down all these properties. I think you all are understood these properties. In our next video, we do the activity for a circle passing through 1, 2 or 3 points. Thank you once again. I stop here only.